Introducing the 2021 KIA Sorento CRDi3, packed with luxury features and top-of-the-line safety technology for your peace of mind. With only 3,673 miles on the clock and a sleek black exterior, this estate car is ready for your next adventure. From the comfortable interior with ambient lighting to the advanced security features like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive with confidence. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit our website at pixel.com for more information on how you can take home the 2021 KIA Sorento CRDi3 today.